Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. Alright, today I'm going to teach you step by step how to do Chris Brown's dance, a tribute to MJ, a dance that he was supposed to do at the AMA award show, but got canceled last minute. I'm going to teach you one of my favorite parts. I'm not going to do the whole dance, but my favorite part is also the bit that is trending on TikTok at the moment. Alright, let's go. As always, I'm going to break it down into some mini sections so it doesn't seem overwhelming, and I'm also going to make it as easy as possible for you guys. Alright, so the first mini section is going to be nice and easy. Let me just show you a quick preview. So the first mini section looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Okay, let me explain. So, they sort of do a transition piece before they start on this part. So they land on 8 before they start. So you can see, spread your legs a bit. And then what you want to do is bring your toes and knees inwards. And notice I'm going a bit down in level. That's perfectly natural because you're doing this thing here. Alright, so I went from here, I want to go boom. Okay, now from here what I want to do is do a mini jump and do boom. Okay, so my toes are pointing outwards again, knees outwards. Alright, now I'm exaggerating so you can see that I'm actually jumping, but when you do it, you don't actually see the feet lifting off the ground. Alright, so just do a lot of these. Boom, just practice. Inwards, jump, inwards, jump, inwards, jump, inwards, jump. Alright, we're gonna do a few of those. So it starts, timing wise, it starts on 8, and then we go and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Okay? Practice with me. I'm gonna count 5, 6, 7, and then we're gonna start 8, and then and 1. Alright? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Alright? Now in the beginning, you don't have to exaggerate the movements. Alright? Just make sure you follow the timing, and then once you feel comfortable, you can do this more exaggerated. Okay, make sure to practice that a million times. So you want to do 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, moving on to mini section 2. Basically the same move, but we're just moving from side to side, and then we're gonna action an extra thing. Alright? So this was end of 1, 4, we go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let me explain. So, you remember when I said that this move is basically a jump? That's what you want to do, but this time you just want to jump slightly to one side. So to begin with, we're going to jump slightly to the right every time. So let me just exaggerate and show you. Boom, boom, boom. That's basically what you're doing, just much more subtle. So it looks like this. 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay? We want to do 4 of those. We're going to go slow, and at the end, so this is 1, sorry, it's actually 5, 5, and 6, and 7, and on the last one, you want to jump and bring up your left leg, and your shoulders are going to say boom. Don't worry about the shoulders if you're having troubles with this in the beginning, alright? So, boom, then you want to bring it down, move to the left side 4 times, so you're going to go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Alright, now it's the opposite. You're lifting your right leg. Want to bring it down again. Boom. 1, and 2, 3, 4. And land somewhere in the middle. Okay? So, 4 to this side, 4 to this side, 4, and try and get back to the side. Let me just show you again slowly. You can try to do it with me if you want to. So, we just went, this is end of mini section 1. We ended on 4. We go and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Notice how, I don't know if I told you yet, but notice how I tilt my head when I move to this side, opposite side, and then here. Again, the most important thing, it's like a cake, right? The more layers you add, the more complex and exciting it looks. But you can just start with this movement and the jump, of course. The other side, don't worry about the shoulders, don't worry about the head, and then you can add it on if you want to. Okay? Alright, time to practice. Since we ended on the count 4 in minute section 1, I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna start on and 5. Alright? And so on. Here it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we start and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so once you've practiced that a million times, just want to do one last time, a bit faster. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so once you practice minute section 1 and minute section 2 a million times, then let's move on to minute section 3. Okay, quick preview of minute section 3. It goes like this. Whoop, 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 whoop. Now let me break that down for you. So you're down here. What you want to do with your right arm is go up, down, left, right, and then you want to bring it down. And then let's do the easy version. You just want to grab with both arms here to your left, and you want to bring it to your right. All right. Let's just forget the legs for now. Just the arms. We're gonna go up, down, left, right, down. Grab both arms, side. Okay. There is a small twist detail. If you want to add that, you can do that. So whoop, 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 whoop. What Chris Brown does is he flicks his wrist like this, whoop, before he says grab, pull. All right, let me show that again. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, hey, okay? Now the legs at the end, you just want to twist your lower body here. So as you can see, I went from here to zing, okay? As you can see, my left leg is bent, my right leg, I'm trying to keep it straight, okay? So let's try that again. Whoop, down, left, right, down, and grab. Okay, try and practice with me. The timing goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, okay? I'm gonna count 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Alright, moving on to the last minute section. So this was end of 3. Let me show you a quick preview. 4 goes and boom, 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 and boom. Alright, now let me explain. So this was end of 3. 4, you sort of want to sit down and have most of your weight on your right back leg here, alright? So for me, I need to turn my foot so that my toes are pointing to the front-ish. For you, it might be that the most comfortable position is like this, but for me, it's like this. And then, as you know, I have most of my weight here. My left leg is just on my toes, and then I'm flicking my heel out to the side, in the back here, and then I go down, 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 down. All right, and then it's important to lean back a bit instead of being here. You want to go A. And notice how I bring up my right arm. I don't know what this is. This is what Mike Jackson does. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Your left arm can be down here, here, holding your pants, whatever you want. boom. All right, we want to do 3 of those because this was 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, and then from here you can do a pose if you want to. Don't need to, but that's where the dance sort of starting to end. So the backup dancers are doing like this. You can do a freestyle pose, whatever you want. Chris Brown is doing cross up, that you can also do. So just to recap here, this was in the 3, 4 goes, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let me just show you the transition again. 7 and 8. Okay. All right, time to practice. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna practice and 5. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Again, 5, 6, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. One last time. 5. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright guys, time to do the full dance from the tip to top. So minute 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me just do a quick run through and then we're gonna practice. Alright, so let me run through this step. Once again from the tip to top. We land on 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Move to the side and 5 and 6 and 7 and jump. And 1 and 2 and 3 and jump, and 5 and 6 and 7 to the middle. Now it's going up, down, left, right, down, both arms pull, and then you want to say sit, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, let me just show one last time where I just count, all right? So it goes like this. 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, time to practice. We're gonna go slow. 5. Remember to prep on 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's try that again. 5. Remember prep on 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright guys, feel free to practice at your own pace. I'm just gonna do it one last time to the normal tempo. Okay, it goes like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.